No one likes waiting in line outside a club, especially in the cold. So wouldn't it be nice if you can walk right in like a celebrity?
You can skip the line to the most exclusive nightclubs in the country.
That's just what Philly-based Line Rocket promises to do, says the service's 26-year-old founder, Josh Heffler, offering you a fast pass into some of the hottest clubs in our area.
You walk right up, you say to the bouncer, I'm on the Line Rocket list, and he checks off your name, you shake his hand, and you walk right in. And everybody says, who was that?
With Line Rocket, you pre-purchase your spot in the club from their website, cover price included.
You can use it for a date, you can use it to impress a client, you can use it if you're having a bachelor or bachelorette party.
There are only a certain number of spaces available at each club each night, so there's exclusivity. Getting the VIP treatment, though, will cost you a little extra.
It's basically like an extra 20 bucks in Philadelphia, and it's worth not waiting in a 2-hour line.
Line Rocket also has an iPhone app, so if you're standing in line freezing and don't want to wait any longer, you just launch the app, find the club, buy your ticket right there, and skip everybody else.
They're going to be like, how did that just happen?
5 Philly nightclubs are currently using the service, and 1 in Atlantic City. You can also skip lines in other cities like New York, LA, Chicago, and Vegas.
Line Rocket actually guarantees your entry. You know you're going to get in, and you know you're going to get in instantly.
In Northern Liberties, Vince Latanzio, NBC 10 News.